Hello everyone, my name is Idil Rafaqat, and I'm excited to share my internship summary at Regard Tinker. Let's begin. I was a junior data analyst intern at Regard Tinker from February 12 to May 17, 2025, under Sultanov Ali Sirkovic. This 12-week internship helped me grow my data analysis skills in a real-world settings. Regard Tinker is a wholesale company in Talaran, manages electronics and household goods with a focus on data-driven operations. I joined the analytics team to provide actionable insights through data analysis, and my main aim during this internship was to apply my academic knowledge to real-world data. I had three key objectives. First, to learn practical tools like Excel, SQL, and Looker Studio. Second, to improve my analytical thinking and reporting skills. And third, to enhance my teamwork and communication skills in a corporate environment. These objectives shaped my daily tasks and projects. During my internship, I used several tools to analyze data effective. I worked with Excel for functions like pivot tables, COUNTIF, and if, SQL for querying sales data, and Google Sheets with Looker Studio for creating interactive dashboards. I also applied linear regression for forecasting and collaborated with my team through meetings and presentations. My tasks include cleaning sales data, analyzing trends, and studying customer activity. I build dashboards for supplier delivery and forecasted sales, proposing restocking and customer reactivation strategies. In week 3, I analyzed February 2025 regional sales. Almaty lead with 200 KZT, Astana and at 180 KZT, while Shymkent and Turkestan had 40 and 20 KZT. Monthly sales rose from 1.5 to 2.5 million KZT. Guiding team strategies. In week 4, I analyzed supplier delivery cycles for February 2025. Supplier A was stable at 4 to 6 days, while supplier C varied from 7 to 13 days, leading to restocking schedule adjustments. From week 5 to 7, I worked on sales trends and customer loyalty. The first chart shows a sales decline from 3 million KZT in January to 1 million in March, likely due to favor holidays. The second chart highlights customer loyalty, with 40% of customers showing low loyalty. We address this by targeting inactive clients with promotional strategies, which the team found actionable. In week 10, I summarized Q1 sales and loyalty. March sales dropped due to fewer holidays, and 40% low loyalty customers promoted reactivation strategies included in the quarterly report. This internship taught me valuable lessons. I improved my technical skills in SQL, dashboard design with Looker Studio, and sales forecasting with linear regression. I learned to handle real-world data challenges like duplicate and missing values. I also become better at presenting insights to non-technical teams, managing my team effectively, and gained confidence through team feedback. This internship Bridget, Siri, and practice. Preparing me for data analytics rules. Thank you to Sultanov, Ali Sirkovic, and Regard Tinker for their support. Thanks for listening.